Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because today we're diving into a rolling disco ball from the past, the 1970s Vickers travel trailer. This thing isn't just an RV, it's the Elvis Presley of caravans. Flashy, over the top, and guaranteed to turn heads faster than your neighbor's new boat. I swear, when I first saw it, I half expected ABBA to step out singing Dancing Queen. Alright, so back to this Vickers, a travel trailer so luxurious it made the Romany caravans of old look like budget motels. This one, from the fabulous 70s, is a single-axle unit with sleeping space for 4, a kitchen area, plush lounge seating, and a chrome fireplace. Yeah, you heard me right, a fireplace. Because when you're parked next to a circus tent, nothing says home sweet home like roasting marshmallows beside chrome. Underneath, it rides on a brand new Knott Avonride chassis with fresh brakes, hitch, and tires. The shell, though, remains original, polished to a mirror shine that could probably blind a seagull from 50 feet away. The whole rig has been dry stored for decades, and it shows. I think it's one of those rare finds that you could actually tow straight to a vintage car show without even dusting it off. Inside, it's pure 1970s excess. Red velvet curtains, golden fringe sofas that transform into beds, and a chandelier-style light fixture that screams. I paid too much for this, and I don't care. The kitchen may lack a sink, but it's got those curvy cabinets and a 4-burner gas stove, the kind of setup that makes you feel fancy while burning your breakfast. Every drawer has a key, too. Old-school security before central locking was a thing. Now the price. Listed at £16,000, about €18,300, or $21,500. It's not exactly pocket change, but for the best caravan ever made, as the seller puts it, you're basically buying a time machine. And honestly, I believe them. These Vickers trailers were often custom built, so every unit is unique. Like your buddy Dave's hair in the 70s, no two were the same. Harry Vickers, the man behind this madness, used to be a trapeze artist known as Henri de Ronde. And if that doesn't scream showman, nothing does. He built these caravans for fellow performers, giving each a touch of glam and eccentricity. You could say this man took the circus off the stage and onto the highway. I think what I like the most is how unapologetically extravagant this thing is. It's not pretending to be practical. It's here to party. I once had a neighbor who tried to modernize his 1978 camper by painting it gray and putting in IKEA furniture. Let's just say, after seeing this Vickers, I think he owes me an apology for crimes against style.